Hi there, Lisa Arana here, and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today's cards are all about making something for that last minute occasion. With a lovely layout and some simple stamping, you can create this card in no time at all. I'm featuring this beautiful botanical background co-branded with Brutus Monroe, and then a variety of sentiments from Good Things with Wings, both by Unity Stamp Company. I'm going to start by stamping out my background stamp. I have some Nina Desert Storm Kraft cardstock in my original Misty, and I'm just going to ink that background stamp up with some VersaFine black ink. I love this ink. It always creates such a sharp impression. Sometimes when you stamp, that cardstock can move, so I'm just going to tack it down with a little bit of washi tape right behind it. That way I know if I have to repeat stamp that cardstock won't move on me. So I'm going to go ahead and press that down really well, make sure I cover the whole image. And I have just a little spot over to the side, so I'm going to close this up and then repress just in those areas. Usually there's enough ink left on the stamp that I can just press them down and then fill in the spots that I didn't get a really good impression the first time. So that looks perfect. I don't even have to re-ink and stamp again. So I die cut a piece of black cardstock in a scallop shape and just glued that directly down to my card front, which is also covered in that same Kraft cardstock. Added a bit of foam adhesive to the back of the trimmed down panel of botanical backgrounds. Just fits perfectly inside that scallop background. And I added foam adhesive since this card is so simple. Just by adding a bit of dimension by popping things up, just creates enough interest to the eye that makes it even a little bit more special than just gluing it straight down onto the card front. Next, my sentiment is stamped and embossed in white embossing powder, again on that matching black cardstock. And again, I popped it up again, just creates another layer of dimension and interest. And then last, because I always love a bit of sparkle, I'm going to add on some Wink of Stella clear, and I'm just filling in the blooms and the leaves. I'm not covering the whole entire image, just kind of following the shadowing that's already built into the stamped image of the flowers. This is just another level of dimension and interest to the card since it is fairly simple. This way it's not just ink and paper, and it just has a little bit of something to make it special. At this point we're fairly done and we could run out the door and get ready for our birthday party, or you could use this as a starting point and just keep adding more and more. It's up to you. Here is the finished card, created super fast, but still really lovely. I love that I could easily create a card like this in 10 minutes as I head out the door, or if I had more time, I could use it as a start and add more embellishments to bling it up. I'll have all the supplies listed below. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you liked it. Plus, if you have any questions or a sweet comment, post below. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time. Bye.